actually my very first time holding a ukulele. Wala akong alam sa pagtugtog nito, but my son Simon really loves music. Sinusuportahan namin ang hilig niya, di ba? So we decided to get a budget-friendly ukulele, itong Rexton ukulele na sikat sa online. And since beginner din po ako, gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang honest experience ko para sa mga kapwa baguhan na gustong magsimula sa mundo ng musika. So let's start with the ukulele. Rexton is an online store na kilala for affordable musical instruments and accessories. Ang goal nila is to make music more accessible for everyone, lalo na sa mga beginners, from guitars, mics, to ukuleles like this. At marami kang pwedeng pagpipilian mga kaibigan, swak sa budget mo. So, let's open the box and check out what's inside. Una, meron tayong manual. Ito yung basic manual. Yan, basic manual lang, pero may ilang helpful info ito. Then of course, the ukulele itself. It wrapped with plastic to protect it. We also have a small clip tuner. Ito yung itsura ng tuner. And extra nylon string. Meron din tayong extra nylon string. And surprisingly, meron din tayong 3 picks. Extra picks. Ayan, ito yung itsura ng picks nila na pinapadala. Para sa first impression ko sa build quality ng ukulele na ito, this ukulele is very lightweight, made of or from laminated wood, not plastic, plus points agad. Mahirap kasi kapag plastic, parang laruan lang. The finish is clean, walang matutulis o magaspang sa edges. Yan, very, very smooth. Looking at the fretboard, okay naman yung pagkakagawa mga kaibigan. The nylon strings are gentle on the fingers. Hindi ka mahihirapan kapag gagamitin mo to. This ukulele is belt-wise. It's pretty solid for its price range. Wala akong nakita na factory defect or damage. So far, wala. This part was honestly frustrating. Bakit? Kasi yung tuner, nasan yung tuner? I tried using this clip-on tuner from the box. Ito yung itsura niya. Pero hindi siya accurate. The pitch detection was all over the place. Naglalaro-laro lang siya. Minsan tama, minsan naman hindi. Yan, minsan sablay. So, after wasting 15 minutes, I downloaded an app called Master Ukulele Tuner sa phone ko. So, dun sa Play Store mismo. It's free. So, grabe, mas madali talaga. The app is more responsive and it gives clear instructions kung dapat bang i-loosen o i-tighten ang string. So, makikita natin sa app na ito na meron siyang hertz. Kung saan sa bawat string ay merong nakalagay na dapat ba nating i-loose yung string or dapat ba nating i-tight. So, pro tips lang, do not use this clip-on tuner. Instead, you're going to use the Master Ukulele Tuner.
Ngayon ay malaki ka na, nais mong maging malaya, di ba sila pa'y walang magagawa? Ikaw ay bilang ng bago, naging matigas ang iyong ulo at ang kamay.
I tried playing a few basic chords dito kanina. At kahit medyo sablay pa ako, I can say the sound is bright, cheerful, and surprisingly, it's very nice. Hindi siya tunog lata or cheap. Talagang walang sablay yung tunog. Napakalinis, parang hindi makikita na ito isang budget na ukulele, no? So, hindi siya tunog lata. Of course, it's not for professional performance, pero for practice, casual jamming, or learning, this is really very good. Okay, this ukulele is very, very good. Ngayon lang din ako natuto ng ukulele. Sobrang na-enjoy yung, nakaka-enjoy gamitin ang ukulele na ito. So, this ukulele is perfect for beginners, bata man o matanda. If you're looking for a low-risk, low-cost way to get started, okay na okay yung Rexton ukulele. Pero kung ikaw ay professional player or may gig ka, maybe look for something higher end, like mga branded talaga na mga gitara. And of course, for our final thoughts, this is budget friendly mga kaibigan. Solid build for its price. Yung price nito is 600 plus pesos. And it comes with useful extras like picks, strings, bags, and also tuner. Ang downside nga lang, the clip-on tuner is unreliable, so mas maganda pa rin gumamit ng tuner app tulad ng Master Ukulele Tuner. So para sa mga kagaya ko na parent na gusto lang suportahan ang musical journey ng anak, or ikaw mismo na gustong matuto mag-play ng ukulele, is pwedeng-pwede na ang Rixton ukulele na ito. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your thoughts below. And let me know kung gusto nyo pa ng beginner-friendly gear na i-review natin. Kita-kits sa next video. Happy recording!